Gather equipment, check medication order against the original physician's order according to the agency policy. Clarify any inconsistencies, check the patient chart for allergies. Know the action, special nursing considerations, safe doses ranges, purpose of administration, and the adverse effect of the medication to be administered. Consider the appropriateness of medication for the patient. Then perform hand hygiene. Prepare medication for one patient at a time. Read the MAR or the medication administration record and select the proper medication from the patient's medication drawer or unit stock. Compare the label with MAR, check the expiration date and perform calculations if necessary. When all medication for one have been prepared, recheck the label with the MAR before taking them to the patient, and return the medication stock to the patient's drawer. Transport medications to the patient bedside carefully and keep the medication in the site at all times. Identify the patient. Usually, the patient should be identified using two methods. Compare information with the MAR. A. Check the name of the patient identification band, and B. If the patient cannot identify him or herself, verify the patient identification to the significant other. Then complete necessary assessment before administering medication. Check allergy bracelet or ask patient about allergies. Explain the purpose and the action of each medication to the patient. Perform hand hygiene and put on gloves. Use non-sterile gloves unless the skin is broken, then apply sterile gloves. Wash, rinse, and dry the affected area with water and clean gauze. If skin is very dry and flaking, apply topical medication while skin is still damp. Change gloves and perform hand hygiene in between. Use sterile gloves for open skin lesions. Place required amount of medication using a cotton tip applicator. Note, the cotton tip applicator is sterile and is for single use. Let the patient know that initial application may feel cold. Apply medication using one stroke and observe the inner and outer application. Observe signs of irritation or redness. Then perform hand hygiene. Document the procedure in the patient's chart.